Hay mga beshi, napapansin mo ba na kahit anong sabon gamitin mo, hindi pa rin pantay at dull yung skin mo? Huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa, may solusyon na. Introducing Skin Neighbor Chlorella Vulgaris Niacinamide Brightening Body Wash. Yung New Glow Bestie na nagbibigay ng healthy, bright, and even skin tone. It brightens the skin, evens out tone. With niacinamide for smooth and glowing skin, Chlorella vulgaris helps detox and nourish. It is gentle formula, safe for daily use, long-lasting freshness and fragrance. Perfect to para sa mga gusto ng puting hindi dry, glow na natural at skin na confident ka ipakita. Huwag palampasin, limited stocks only. Get your Skin Neighbor body wash now and start glowing today.